What's sizzling in the world of AI and finance right now? The news cycle is moving at lightning speed, and if you're not plugged in, you're missing out. Here at ChatGPT Insights, we're diving headfirst into the most critical updates you need to know. We've got Elon Musk's Grok weighing in on the stock market's future. Will 2025 be a bull run or a crash? Grok has offered its AI-driven predictions, and we're breaking down what that means for your investments. Next up, we're diving into the volatile world of cryptocurrency, where the Trump Family Project, WLFI, is facing massive criticism and even a potential scam alert from Grok itself, all while its price is doing something unexpected. You won't believe the drama unfolding in the crypto space. Then, we shift gears to cybersecurity. Hackers are reportedly using X's own chatbot, Grok, to lure unsuspecting users into clicking malicious links that could infect your devices with malware. We'll tell you how to stay safe from this new, grokking threat. And finally, a political firestorm ignites as former Trump advisor Peter Navarro clashes with Elon Musk's platform over fact-checking a post critical of India. We've got the details on Musk's defense of community notes and Grok's role in fact-checking. Stick around, because you won't want to miss a second of this. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Will the stock market crash in 2025? AI has spoken. With 2025 already delivering market whiplash, including a dramatic S&P 500 drop and recovery, the big question on everyone's mind is, what's next? To get some answers, ChatGPT Insights turned to Elon Musk's AI chatbot, Grok, to see if it could predict a market crash. Grok, however, found predicting the second half of 2025 inherently uncertain, citing economic, political, and global volatility. It presented arguments for both market downturns and upturns. On the downside, Grok highlighted analysis from EBC Financial Group pointing to a high Shiller-Cape ratio, historically linked to lower future returns, suggesting a potential market correction. Weakening consumer spending, a cooling labor market, and the specter of trade wars, supported by Fitch Ratings' August 2025 analysis, also raised recessionary concerns. Furthermore, Grok noted the Federal Reserve's monetary policy uncertainty, particularly regarding interest rates, as a potential drag on equities, especially if rate cuts don't materialize as some, like Fed Chair Jerome Powell, have hinted. A significant factor Grok pointed out is the market's heavy reliance on tech giants like Nvidia, which accounts for nearly 7% of the S&P 500's value. A slowdown in this AI-driven rally could spell trouble. On the flip side, Grok referenced older data suggesting Wall Street analysts were optimistic about corporate earnings. Morgan Stanley's August 2025 analysis, however, offered a more cautious view, noting performance gaps between sectors despite strong reported earnings. Grok also considered potential catalysts like the One Big Beautiful Bill Act for growth and investor sentiment, and Goldman Sachs' prediction of AI monetization expanding beyond megacaps. Yet, even OpenAI CEO Sam Altman reportedly warned of an AI market bubble in August 2025, adding another layer of complexity. Ultimately, Grok couldn't commit to a crash, balancing risks like high valuations and Fed uncertainty against tailwinds from policy support and earnings. The public reaction is a mix of caution and optimism, with analysts offering nuanced perspectives on the AI sector's role. So, is the market headed for a cliff or a rally? The AI's answer is complex, but the real-world implications are huge. Stay tuned, because next, we're diving into a crypto controversy that has even Grok raising red flags. Is this Trump-linked crypto a scam? AI says maybe. In the wild world of cryptocurrency, the native token WLFI from the Trump family's business, World Liberty Financial, has been making waves, not just for its price surge, but for the serious accusations swirling around it, including a potential scam alert from Elon Musk's Grok. Launched on September 1st, WLFI hit an all-time high of 46 cents before a sharp sell-off. Reports of selling pressure, allegedly from TRON founder Justin Sun, along with insider activity and whale movements, pushed the token down to a low of 16 cents by September 4th. The controversy deepened when the project announced it had blacklisted 272 wallets, including Sun's, citing links to phishing scams. WLFI stated these actions were solely to protect users, not to stifle normal activity. On-chain intelligence platforms like Nansen and Arkham flagged significant selling activity from Justin Sun, prompting the freeze of his account. However, concrete evidence of insider trading or Sun's misuse remains elusive. Amidst this turmoil, Elon Musk's AI chatbot, Grok, weighed in, listing World Liberty Financial as a potential scam. Grok noted public chatter about token freezes, alleged developer theft, and phishing issues as indicators, while cautioning that fraud speculation is uncertain. Despite the controversy, WLFI saw a remarkable 30% price increase in the 24 hours leading up to September 7th, trading at 0.238 with a market cap of $5.9 billion. However, it remained 48.5% down from its launch day peak. Technical analyst Crypto Tigers warned on X that WLFI had entered a highly volatile zone, predicting either a significant breakout or a sharp downside move, indicating potential for increased liquidations. Public reaction is divided, with some seeing a potential recovery and others fearing a rug pull. The project has promised to verify control and secure funds for rightful owners. Can this controversial crypto token recover, or is a crash inevitable? Up next, we uncover a new cybersecurity threat that uses AI itself to trick you. Hackers are using X's Grok to spread malware. Even as X's AI chatbot, Grok, refines its content moderation, a new and concerning cyber threat has emerged. Hackers are reportedly exploiting Grok to distribute malicious links and drive traffic to adult websites, a practice dubbed grokking. According to research from Guardio Labs, cybercriminals are leveraging video ads on X featuring adult content to capture user attention. They then embed malicious links within the video's metadata, a field that typically appears near the from tag beneath the video. This method allows them to bypass X's standard malicious link detection tools. The hackers follow up by commenting on these videos, prompting users to ask for the source. When Grok is then used to provide a link to the content, it inadvertently serves up a fully functioning connection to the malicious website, often laden with malware. This process also boosts the malicious website's search engine optimization (SEO) ranking, as Grok's responses are indexed by search engines like Google. Natty Tal, a researcher at Guardio Labs, advises users to protect themselves by meticulously scanning all fields before clicking and enabling hidden link blocking on X, which automatically checks links against known block lists. While X has not issued an official statement, its engineers have reportedly acknowledged the issue to security researchers. This incident serves as a stark reminder for X users, who have previously seen high-profile accounts hijacked to promote crypto scams and faced alleged Russian state propaganda spread by bots. The community's reaction is one of heightened caution, with cybersecurity experts emphasizing the need for vigilance when interacting with content and links on social media platforms. Is your AI assistant putting you at risk? Get ready, because our final story involves a political showdown and Elon Musk defending his platform's fact-checking. Navarro versus Musk, AI fact-checking sparks political firestorm. A major controversy has erupted on Elon Musk's X platform after former U.S. President Donald Trump's advisor, Peter Navarro, heavily criticized the platform's Community Notes feature for fact-checking a post critical of India. The dispute began when Navarro accused New Delhi of profiting from Russian oil imports and feeding Russia's war machine while simultaneously costing U.S. jobs. He posted, "Facts. India highest tariffs costs U.S. jobs. India buys Russian oil purely to profit revenues feed Russia war machine. Ukrainians, Russians die. U.S. taxpayers shell out more. India can't handle truth spins." X's Community Notes, however, debunked his claims. The notes clarified that India's oil purchases were for energy security, did not violate sanctions, and pointed out the hypocrisy of the U.S. pressuring India while also importing commodities like uranium from Russia. They labeled Navarro's claims as hypocritical and noted that India's actions are legal and sovereign. Navarro vehemently dismissed these fact-checks as crap notes and accused Elon Musk of promoting propaganda. On X, he retorted, "Wow, Elon Musk is letting propaganda into people's posts. That crap note below is just that. Crap. India buys Russian oil solely to profiteer. Stop killing Ukrainians. Stop taking American jobs." This exchange is part of Navarro's ongoing criticism of India, particularly following the Trump administration's imposition of secondary tariffs on Indian exports. In response to the criticism, Elon Musk defended the impartiality of community notes, stating, "On this platform, the people decide the narrative. You hear all sides of an argument. Community Notes corrects everyone, no exceptions. Notes, data, and code is public source. Grok provides further fact-checking." Musk emphasized that Grok's role is to augment the community-driven fact-checking process, ensuring a multifaceted approach to information verification on X. Public reaction has been mixed, with supporters of Navarro decrying censorship and Musk's supporters lauding the platform's commitment to transparency and user-led correction. The incident highlights the ongoing tension between political narratives and platform-based fact-checking. Who's right in this high-stakes political debate? That's all the news for today, but stick around for a rapid-fire recap. And that's a wrap on today's essential AI and finance updates. We covered Grok's take on the 2025 stock market, the controversial WLFI crypto token facing scam accusations, hackers exploiting Grok for malware, and the political clash between Peter Navarro and Elon Musk over India. Don't miss out on any future breakthroughs. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all social platforms for more insights. We'll see you in the next video.